Are you tired of constantly jumping back and forth between your Salesforce CRM, your document editor, and your team chat apps just to get a single task done? In this video, we're looking at Quip, Salesforce's built-in productivity platform designed to bring all your team's collaboration directly into your workflow. So what exactly is Quip? At its core, Quip combines real-time documents, spreadsheets, and chat and embeds them directly inside your Salesforce records. Instead of keeping your data in one place and your discussions in another, Quip unites them. This makes it incredibly easy to standardize and automate processes like account planning, mutual close plans, and qualification notes without ever leaving your CRM. Let's break down the best features. First, you have collaborative documents that allow your team to edit together in real time, keeping everyone on the same page. Second, you can embed spreadsheets directly into these documents. This means you can give your numbers the exact context they need for your team to make quick, critical decisions. And third, Quip completely breaks down communication silos with built-in chat. You get one-on-one messaging, team chat rooms, and, most importantly, chat built directly into every single document and spreadsheet. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. While we don't have a massive database of third-party user reviews to pull from today, the immediate pros are obvious. It delivers seamless Salesforce integration and top-tier security. Features like Quip Shield offer advanced data protection, privacy, and compliance, which is a massive win for security-conscious enterprises. On the flip side, because Quip is so deeply integrated with Salesforce, its full potential is really unlocked only if your team is already using Salesforce as your primary CRM. If you aren't on Salesforce, you might find the feature set less tailored to your specific workflow. Overall, if you want to streamline your sales processes, keep your team connected, and eliminate app switching, Quip is a highly secure and powerful tool to keep everyone aligned. What are your thoughts on using Quip for your team? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and we'll see you in the next one.